Hi, welcome back to this short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to do the 202 recap on the Instagram. So many people are sharing 2022 recap of their memories. How you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the CapCut. Once you will search for it, simply download this application to your phone. Once you will download it, open it, and you have to click on this plus icon, and now you have to select one video of almost 7 to 8 seconds from your gallery, and you have to select almost 10 most you have to select 10 most favorite pictures of your 2022, add them, and once you will do it, you can download music from the TikTok to play behind this video. So this is the way to do the 2002 recap on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.